We are a professional manufacturer based in China. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Servo-driven rollers guarantee millimeter-perfect curvature for every tile. The frame panel thickness is 20 mm, which is more stable. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 mm. Ideal for manufacturers seeking reliable and high-performance roll-forming solutions. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.